This simple guide will show you how to mark invoices as sent in Wave Accounting. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your billing process, this tutorial will help you streamline your workflow and ensure your invoices are sent out promptly and professionally. Let's get started by navigating to the Sales and Payments section of your Wave Accounting dashboard. You'll find this on the left-hand navigation sidebar. This section is your go-to area for managing all things related to sales, from creating invoices to tracking payments. Once you're there, click on Invoices. This will bring up a list of all your current invoices, including drafts, sent invoices, and those that have been paid. Now, locate the specific draft invoice you wish to mark as sent. Click on it to open the invoice details. If you have multiple drafts, it might be helpful to use the search or filter function to find the right one quickly. This can save you time and make the process more efficient. Once you've clicked on the draft invoice, you'll be taken to a detailed view where you can review all the information. Make sure everything is accurate and complete, from the items or services listed to the total amount due. This is an excellent opportunity to double-check any details and make last-minute adjustments if needed. At the top of the interface, you'll notice a blue button labeled Approve Draft. Clicking this button is a crucial step as it changes the status of your invoice from a draft to an approved invoice. This action essentially locks in the details of your invoice, making it ready to be sent to your client. Approving a draft is a simple yet significant step in ensuring your invoicing process is smooth and professional. After you've approved the draft, the next step is to send the invoice to your client. Click on Send Invoice. This will open a window where you can input the client's email details. It's important to enter the correct email address here to ensure the invoice reaches your client without any hiccups. If you have the client's emails saved in your contacts within Wave, it might auto-populate, which can save you some time. Once you've filled out the email details, take a moment to review the email content. This is your chance to customize the message if necessary, making it more personal or adding any additional notes that might be relevant to your client. A well-crafted email can enhance communication and reinforce professionalism. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and hit Send. Congratulations, you've just successfully marked your invoice as sent in Wave Accounting. This simple process not only keeps your records up to date, but also ensures your clients receive their invoices promptly, paving the way for timely payments. And there you have it. You've learned how to efficiently mark invoices as sent in Wave Accounting. By following these steps, you can streamline your invoicing process, maintain accurate records, and enhance your overall business management. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your finances effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing.